Gasket or an O-ring? Which seal is right for you? Gasket or an O-ring? They might look alike, but choosing the right one makes all the difference. Do you think gaskets and O-rings are the same? Let's clear that up. O-rings are circular, compact, and donut-shaped for sealing valves, hydraulic systems, and pumps under pressure. These are compressed in a groove. Gaskets are flat, wide, and often custom-shaped, ideal for irregular or flat surfaces in engines, valves, and beyond. These are compressed between two flat surfaces. O-rings are flexible, pressure-resistant, and used in moving parts. Gaskets can handle heat, vibration, chemical exposure, and are used between stationary parts. At Harkesh Rubber, every seal is customized, precision-made, and quality-tested to meet global standards. Still unsure? Visit harkesh.com or contact our team and get the perfect seal for your application.